Go.
Ready, get, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Wish you. Wish you luck din. Yay! Ano wish mo din? 1 million thousand city mil? 1,000 mil.
Lahat ng food. Happy birthday! Thank you! Habaan mo daw! Yan, habaan mo daw.
Ang daya, spaghetti, Shanghai, and RBT in between. Video na yung mga tao din.
Ha? Happy birthday, Armin!
Happy birthday!
Pinakamahaba, magbibigay ako 1,000. Pinakamahaba na. Kailangan ko pinakamahaba na magsabi na
Timer nyo! Walang timer!
pinakamahaba. 1,000 bibigay ko.
Hindi tayo sa nagka-cardio dyan.
Timer.
Timer? Kasi charger mo na din.
Habaan mo, Chad, go!
Hinga ka muna. Happy birthday! Ano sabi ni Tito? Tito magbibilang.
Ay, hindi. 500 na lang para dalawa ang mananalo.
Ayan!
500 para dalawa ang mananalo.
Ready, set, go.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy
birthday, Lola!
Galing ka.
11 minutes. Oh, message. 11
Ako,
seconds.
hinihingal ako eh.
Okay, try mo lang.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Seconds. Ano ka dad? Si Manny.
Wala, talo. Chag-chag pa rin yung longest. Wala pa.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Mami! Hindi ko na kaya.
Si Ate Shem. Oh, si ano?
1, 2, 3,
Happy
go.
birthday, ate. Ate Shem.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Mamita! Go!
Happy birthday, mami!
Kasi lalaki siya
Ilang seconds ka, kuya?
22.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, ate!
8 seconds.
Thank you! Kailangan mahaba.
Ready?
Happy birthday.
1, 2, go. Happy birthday! 15 seconds. Go. Happy birthday, Lola!
Nakaharap buhay. Ate, bigyan mo na na yung pagkasulina mo. Second prize na. Sige, dalawang prize.
21 seconds. One, two, three, go.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Eight seconds. Go, go.
Wala na Carmen nga. Sige, go! Happy
Go.
birthday! Naghanap buhay.
13 seconds po.
Aba, hindi talaga nabibit yung dalawa.
Go.
Happy birthday, Mami! Mamaya
30 seconds.
Ay! 13 seconds! Dalawa may kasama.
Dapat na kinuha naman si Momo.
The ordinary problems have not been hard to face, but lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always trying to say it's wrong in what I do, but you can rearrange my life because this place is you. You got to love me for what I am. Don't love me for what you intend, for all that I will be. And if you're to be your fantasy, you really mad love, so let me go. I must be free. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, birthday. And if you love your fantasy, you really mad love, so let me go. I must be free. You